of me in Mumbai. We were discussing something last night as to why there's such an hype about Bandra. So this is very famous Miss Arwa Tari, and she's gonna take us later on for a tour of Pali village and Bandra, and we'll see what exactly is the hype all about.
This is the start of Pali village, which usually people believe it's a dead end. But there is a small little village of its own here, which was made about 200 years back. It's got the vibes of Goa, the feel of Goa. Christmas is a most amazing time in here. It's got about 800 bungalows, which doesn't show, and more, yes.
Wow.
Could be a little less now because they've been demolishing the place, houses and constructing them to cafes and buildings. So it's a very, very interesting street, a life of its own inside here. The most elite cafes that have come up.
So even right now when we got down, there were a lot of paparazzis waiting right outside our house, and a lot of celebrities keep coming in. I see influencers taking snaps and videos all through the day.
Just outside, the beauty of Bombay is what you get to see here is from all levels of people are out here. So there is a celebrity living out there in a bungalow, and just outside his bungalow there is a small little hut where people come to eat Chinese sitting on the road.
Wow.
Which is the most amazing combination, and that's the spirit of Bombay. And the
Absolutely.
warmth is what you see here. Yeah.
I can feel the heat though.
Yes, yes.
The warmth,
It's
the
getting
heat,
hotter.
yeah, it's getting hotter.
So we're going to now take a tour inside the lanes, and I'm going to join you back very soon.
Sure, cool. See you there. Alright, so you heard these are the bungalows. They are all mostly those Portuguese time developed kind of bungalows. And it's pretty Goan type of a vibe. The colors, the old shades, and the feel is actually pretty cool. So come, let's explore some of Bandra's Pali village. 200-year-old, and still that has been continued. So this is from the East India Times, and I don't know if I should be entering this place, but then she said these all routes actually meet up to some or the other place. So it's not that it's a dead end or it's a private place, but then it certainly is pretty different. I see a lot of high profile people in and around. I see very good houses, and the architect is very heritage, right? Purane zamane ke village. So I think this place is named absolutely how it is supposed to be, the Pali village. And best part is it is so peaceful inside because the cars cannot come in, right? There is no place for cars. A place where somebody would want to live in, but at the same time without any disturbance, while they are also staying in one of the most busiest roads. I mean, to come in and get out of Bandra from one end to the other, I think it takes good 30-40 minutes. So Bandra is really populated, and the round that I took came up to our house. The yellow one is our house. Basically, I've come to my in-laws place. In this place, even if you sit in the windows, you'll see every day something or the other happening. Some celeb coming in, someone coming for a coffee. So these buildings, they've been just come up a year or two back. Come, let's explore the gullies of Pali village. I love how these small bungalows, people have a particular private terrace, and how prettily it has been made. I mean, one thing I'm for sure right now, that in Mumbai people know how to make the most of the space. Wow, I mean, look at this. They have taken an effort to put the plants there. Come to some place which will again lead me to another. People have made offices. There are a lot of art galleries. I see everything here, if made, is mostly artistic. See someone's office. Wow. It certainly is unique in its own way. I really find this place really pretty, calm, peaceful. I'm kind of liking it. I've been here since a couple of days, and अच्छी है जगह. सुकून फॉर श्योर है. हाइप बहुत है. अब हाइप किस चीज़ के लिए है वो तो समझ में आ रहा है, थोड़ा यूनिकनेस है, एक क्लास अपार्ट है, अपार्ट फ्रॉम द हसल ऑफ मुंबई, इन द हार्ट ऑफ मुंबई. So this is Asia's smallest. This is the Asia's smallest cafe, right? If I'm not wrong.
it is.
So you guys are from Mumbai?
Yeah.
Alright, so I am not, and there's a
Vlogging
yeah
for YouTube.
for YouTube. The only reason why I've been here since a couple of days, and there's always a hype of Bandra. So what do you think is the hype all about? Like,
It's just the people who hate the place. It's just nothing else. Everyone's just calm, everyone's just always chilling. In a good
they are welcoming
The
for
energy
sure.
is really nice. Overall, everyone is on the same page when it comes to energy.
Go check out something. So yes, we are at one of the smallest cafes across Asia, right? Sabko. Thank you. Alright, so I'm taking the coffee. It's really yum. It's not the first time that I've been to Sabko. मुझे जाना था Tim Hortons because Calcutta में Tim Hortons नहीं है. But then I think that's a hype. This could also be, but this is justified. This is one of the cafes that was owned by Malaika Arora. I'm not going into the cafe because I can't keep drinking coffees all throughout. Cannot keep eating all throughout the day. The vibe is pretty nice. It is very humble of people to greet, and the houses are beautiful. Went there. Okay, I think I've covered Pali Village. Is that it? Okay. The only reason why everything out here I feel is too clustered is because the space Mumbai is very expensive when it comes to real estate, especially in Bandra. So every square meter. What else in Bandra do you guys think? I've been to Bhuji the day I landed.
You can go to the newer one actually. 15 minutes away.
Nothing in Mumbai is 15 minutes away.
It is.
So if I want to judge Bandra on maybe 5 things, what would that be?
Have you been to Kata?
Yeah, I have. I've just been.
Bandra Fort.
No.
It's really pretty. Like
So-
you get the view of the whole sea and the
So
sky.
that's, you said what fort? Bandra Fort.
Bandra Fort.
Bandra Fort. Another one you said is Carter Road. I went to Carter Road, but then it was stinky.
It is stinky. Kata Road
It is stinky, yeah. ये आगे क्या है? मछुआरे मच्छी.
Nahi, it's a beautiful place that you would love going
So
there. You cannot miss
basically
this.
she's के थोड़ा जाके ना मच्छी वच्छी वगैरह का काम होता है. तो there's a stretch where you cannot breathe. I said there's not a stretch. There are a lot of stretches here in
It's
Mumbai
pan-India like that,
where
it's
you
not just
cannot
Mumbai.
breathe. Be it Bandra also.
You can sit at maybe Kata Road Social.
Yeah.
Bandstand you should go, yeah. Did you go to the biggest Chapel Road?
Chapel Road.
Yeah.
Chapel Road. So,
And if you go to Sochi Matsubar, have Dan noodles.
Dan noodles. They're really good.
where would that be?
Tokyo Matcha.
This is
Tokyo Matcha. Wow. Chalo, thank you so much. Same to you. Bye bye. Alright, so on our next list is Bandra Fort maybe. We will also try making it to Carter Road. Most likely we'll go to Carter Road. This in front of me is also a newly opened cafe. Been a big hype, and this around is a house. So all day I see since morning 8-9 there are a lot of people coming in. It's always mostly full. Even right now there's somebody who's come. So everybody's busy waiting for some paparazzi snap. मेरा कैमरा मैं बंद कर दूं?
हम लोग को ऑफिस से मना है ना.
ये पापराजी वाला सीन मेरे को समझ में नहीं आता. बैंड्रा यही होता है यहाँ पे मोस्ट लाइकली. Celebrities come, paparazzis come, they shoot, then they take a walk, they get clicked. I think that's how everything works. So we're done with the Pali Village thing. There's a really cool salad cafe, Bombay Salad Company. मेरे को बहुत मन है जाने का, but then I'm too full. It's always crowded, morning, day, night. It's a pretty good joint. Mumbai is pretty dug up most of the time, but then once this is all done, I think the place would look way better. So this is the main streets of Bandra. There's Haji Ali Juice Center I see. There's 1639. There's some Mini Punjab. There are a couple of joints. There was something called Hawaiian Shack. There are a couple of Korean joints. So this place is like a really cool thing for people to come and eat.
And now we're headed towards one of the iconic eatery joints, which is known as Candies.
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 Okay, what's the speciality there?
It's all about having your junkies, fast food, quick bites. But the good part about that place is it's huge. It's also got a couple of stores indoor to shop. So this is Bandra, where you also have a mutton gourmet.
Wow.
So just to give you an idea of this area, the real estate here, if you had to purchase a flat in that building for an example, so
Yeah.
it's just in front of us,
Ah.
and if that's like a 2 BHK,
Ah.
it would not cost you anything less than about 10 CR.
Wow. And what is the size of the flat we are looking at?
Somewhere around 800 square feet.
I realized while I was shooting the whole Pali Village thing,
Yeah.
I realized how well the whole place has been utilized, because at the same time it is very expensive. So there are small houses being converted into offices.
Yes.
People are staying in the same place. Also, I've seen some private houses that has a particular corner as an office.
Yes.
Most of it is some
Because
there's some art gallery.
Every inch here is very, very
Yeah.
expensive.
All nibbles that we've ordered. Yeah.
Good.
This is reminding me of that Ramzan special mutton cutlet that we make at home, है ना? Okay.
Which is again an iconic.
This one?
The one on the right, you see, this is a part of the Salset Society.
Salset Society.
Yeah, which means only a Catholic can buy a property there. These are all, so if you even go through the names of the buildings,
Yeah.
it just says it that it belongs to the Christian community.
Hello.
Hello, sir. So good to see you.
See, I don't like to, get starstruck and then, get into their nose. Like saying, yeah, photograph or not.
I don't like it,
I
personally.
personally don't like it. Every individual should have, their personal space.
Yes, but it's okay. I mean, see, Bombay, the charm again in Bandra, I would say, the neighboring people for us. But I have a lot of respect for this actor.
Yeah, he's a
Since-
fantastic
yeah,
actor, man.
that- I have a lot of foreigners living in this lane because I love that feel of traditional Bangalore here.
Yeah.
There is so much that happens in here. It's full of spas and restaurants and cafes.
Huh.
That's your Santa Maria.
Yeah. It came in yesterday.
Look at that Momo place. So cute.
I was also recommended this Veronica.
Yeah, it's one of the most ancient, popular places. Bombay, which is converted into Subway Cafe. So initially they had tables in here, but now they've got these chocolate coffees and stuff there. It's more like a store. It's just two of us, yeah.
But this
I'll squeeze in. So this will tell you, bro, how close the houses are, right? And how
Yeah.
big the homes are. So this is where we enter.
Oh, they have a decent space, yeah. open. Calcutta में भी है गड़ियाट के पास open
They
chess
come here,
board.
they play. Everybody sits in the center. So evening it's full. So that's a new cafe which
Library
they've
cafe.
opened. Earlier it was the Blue Cafe. And here this social is quite happening because it's the Junction Carter Road.
ये ऊपर वाला social.
ये
हाँ,
ऊपर
I think
वाला
we'd
social.
come एक बार बहुत भरा हुआ था.
Yeah, we've come here. This place is always
We've come to this
packed,
Starbucks also and the one near to that.
Yes, that entire stretch right there inside is all the eatery stuff.
यहाँ से नाला जाता है. ये है मुंबई का कार्टर रोड.
You can't
असलियत
do
असलियत
Can't say
केटीबी की
that,
जुबानी.
no.
देखो दोस्तों और से देखिए
that. You take your
मुंबई
beautiful
सपनों की नगरी गटर के बीच में.
Bandra.
So this is where the fishermen do all their stuff.
हाँ.
They make their nets and all that.
Hmm.
So I used to come for water therapy or like early in the mornings. And there used to be water up till here.
Wow.
So what I used to do, I used to go hop into the boat, put my stuff, and then go a little niche and then
Are there crabs here?
yes.
Could be, no?
Yeah. Of course.
My God. Today's because I asked her what is the hype all about? You know, what's this Bandra hype? Everything's like Bandra this, Bandra that. I wanted to see the hype, so that's why we are here. And she's kind of taking me to places to why Bandra is Bandra.
But you liked it?
I have been liking it.
You have to stay here for a long to
minus a couple of
understand.
things, but then I'm sure that cannot be
Yeah,
helped.
but you heard that you
So
really
You have
got
to be here, live
Yeah.
here, be a part of Bandra, and then you will like Bandra. Otherwise, if
I'm
you come
sure.
for some days, no,
I'm
you feel
sure.
like this is hyped only.
Actually,
Sure.
let me answer your question. You cannot see Bandra. You have to live Bandra.
Yeah, that's true.
Actually, Bandra.
Yeah, you cannot see Bandra. You have to live it. The day and night, the hustle, bustle, your
And mostly
meals.
Bandra people does not go outside because
We've got
it's
everything here.
everything
Yeah.
is there.
Yeah,
Yeah.
and the best of it.
Yeah.
Sometimes I need that peace, that silence. So I'm not a Starbucks or a Subco person, but this is that my go-to place. Tea house.
Taj Tea House.
This is at very close to Rebello and Reclamation.
Reclamation Rebello. So I have ordered some Gulkan tea because I'm not a very tea fan, so he said that's the best recommendation. And what are you having?
I'm having Malibus.
This is that spicy Assam tea kind of thing that we have in Calcutta. I can feel that Gulkan thing a little, a very hint
How's
of
the
Gulkan.
blend of the spices?
It's spicy. It's I can feel the pepper.
Do you enjoy it? How was your
It's-
first sip experience?
It's not as sweet as how I'm,
You
how
thought
I
it
usually am used to. So this is nice. I'm not much of a tea fan, so but then yeah, I can sip one because it's soothing. It's warm. How's yours?
Mine is too good.
Too good. This is the
Yeah.
first time you're trying this.
This one, yes. And it's very refreshing herbal chai. I love it.
Alright, so the day is coming to an end, and we've been through a lot of places. We've not shot in all because we didn't have time. अब सब जगह रुक के खाना पीना तो बहुत possible नहीं था. But then yes, we've mostly shown you and what is Mumbai all about. Not the complete Mumbai, but then yes, Bandra. So you tell me in the comment section, do you really think the hype of Bandra is really a deal, right? Is this
Bandra
hype?
is not hype. Bandra is not hype. Bandra is something that you live, something that you enjoy every single day. So this is just a splash and glimpses of Bandra. There's lots more, and you need a lot of days to experience this.
Yes, you need a lot of days.
So
I'm not.
there's more amazing stories coming your way. It's gonna be a pot of variety that is gonna be stirred up. Till then, stay tuned and
Subscribe to
yes,
the channel. Until then, travel, stay
have
safe,
fun and keep
have
coming
fun.
to Bombay. See you guys very soon.
Yeah, see you very soon.